In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your menus and manage your menus in the Savvy2 platform. First off, I want to show you what the menu options are in your different template designs. Going across the top here, you've got the main navigation header. On the left side going down, you have the ability to add up to 5 boxes, storefront boxes. Where you see here, I've got shop by categories, popular items, personalized music, shop by product, free stuff. This we accept. This is not actually a box. This is controlled in the store settings, where you can choose the thumbnails to appear for the payment options. But also you'll notice in these left boxes, you see these submenus, and I'll show you how to build these submenus. You've got the main navigation footer bar, and then you have left box 1, 2, and 3. Or I'm sorry, you have footer 1, 2, and 3. To build these menus, you go to Pages, and you'll find Manage Menus. And when you click that, this page opens up. And now it'll open up usually blank, and you'll first have to choose which menu you're trying to pull up. Now in this case, I happen to already have all the menus built out. If you wanted to add a menu, you would hit Add Menu, you'd give it a title, and then you'd hit OK. So I've just chosen Test. I can choose Edit to change the name, and then I can also choose the placement. Now right now all of my placements are full, so it's only going to unassign, or I can delete. So go ahead and save that. Let's say I want to edit the main navigation. Now I've got the ability to pull up the boxes by storefront boxes. This is if you are visually trying to think where this menu is located. And you have the footers, you've got the left boxes, and you've got main navigation footer and main navigation header. So let's go ahead and click on main navigation header. Now in this menu, you'll see I've got home, special, and then you see underneath special occasion, there are menus that are indented. Now I can click this and drag it over, or I can drag it here. If it's dragged indented, this becomes a submenu. So you see special occasion as anniversary gifts, wedding gifts, Mother's Day gifts. Actually, I want to drag new baby gifts back up top. Just by releasing it, it automatically saves. Now you see special occasion, new baby, anniversary, wedding as the first 3. Back up here at the top, special occasion, new baby gifts, anniversary, wedding gifts. And for example, over here I've got educational gifts. You see back to school, potty training, and child safety. Well, if I go back up here to left box 1, or I know that is the shop by category menu, and you'll see under educational gifts I've indented back to school, potty, and child safety. Now if I wanted to add something to educational gifts, I can either add a page, a category, a product type. So let's say I want to add a product brand, just for an example. I've got 2 brands, Create a Book or Testorific. I can click on the arrow to create a book, and it appears up here at the top. And I just drag this down here to educational, and I can indent this right here. And now when I go back to the storefront and educational, I now have the Create a Book option. I want to go ahead and delete this. The custom text, if I wanted to add an item in the menu that is not currently a type, brand, or product, or category, or page, I can type it in here, give it a name, test text. I can give it a URL if I wanted to have a specific URL. Or I can leave it blank if it's not going to have a link to it. If I do have a link and it's going to a different web page, so if I wanted to have it go to Create a Book, then I can click Open Link in New Window. I'll go ahead and add this to my shop by categories. Let's say I want to change that link to say CAB main website, and then save that. And then now if I go back to the main web page, I have CAB main web page, I click this, and you see it opens up the Create a Book site in a new window. The custom text is also helpful if I wanted to build a drop-down that does not currently have a page or product. For example, in my main menu on our demo site, I have a link for free stuff, where it is not actually a link you can click on, but by hovering over it, it drops down the submenu items. Now let's say I wanted to build a menu, a secondary option for main navigation. I could do main nav 2. Let's say I'll just call it that for now. I can add these 3 items here. And if I wanted this to become the main navigation that is already currently assigned, I would first go up to the main navigation header. I would change the box placement from the current main navigation header to unassigned. Then I can go up here to my main nav 2. That was unassigned, and now it has selectable boxes, main navigation header. I now have a new main navigation at the very top. And this concludes how to manage and build your menus in Savvy 2.